a UK company that does smart home automation. When they came in, they're like, we are looking to get one client in the two clients this year in the $100,000 to $250,000 range. Not the value of their house, the value of their smart home automation, and another client in $250,000 to $500,000 range. And we want to get like 4 clients. So first of all, I'm like, 4 clients, that doesn't sound hard. But do people really spend $250,000 in home automation? Yes, they do. So 2 months, we've gotten them 2 about to be signed contracts, one in the $100,000 to $250,000 range, and one in the $250,000 to $1 million range. And I'm just like, yeah, no problem.
That's awesome.